Welcome to the battle of the registry boxes. So when you're pregnant, you get some freebies, right? So this is, oh my god. So this is the Amazon box. I'm yet to receive the Target and our next place box. So let us see what Amazon sent in this. I'm so excited. I like free things. I like free things. I like free things. Ooh. Oh. All right. So this is called my what's on my cart right now. This is a newborn Muslim swaddle. That's not bad. What is? May not fit in there, but anyways, degree or whatever. Oh, it is. It's a so I couldn't get the mother. Why if I get the father? That's something them. Anyways, it's a Dove Men Care deodorant. Me not like. Oh, sorry, sorry. They gave the mother one as well. So like they're so thoughtful. Think about both parents. So a little mini travel Dove deodorant spray for the father. A little Dove deodorant spray for the mother. That's not bad. What is this now? Praise be to God, because the baby don't have not one bottle. Baby don't have even one bottle or nipple or anything. So I got a Philips Advent natural bottle. One coming down. I should have more than one. I'm grateful. One little what is this? I guess lotion for the baby. A newborn balm, Aveeno. This cute. I got a nursing pad and a breast milk storage bag sample in this from this company, Lancino. I like this. This is in my cart. I'm going to buy this. Is like sample size. There's a skin therapy on my belly, and this is I have this the lotion. I'm using it right now. Hold on. I actually have this to restock. I was in my cart to restock right now, and I'm going to restock it because you can see this is a sample size. I might just carry this with me. Probably. Might probably just walk with this when I'm traveling. Why God is so good. Me get 2 bottles. Jesus, praise be to God. Me get 2 bottles. So this is a Dr. Brown's anti-colic baby bottle. 4 ounce. Praise be to God. This is the CeraVe wash and shampoo. Sample size, you know. Right? What is this? A gift for your special delivery. So they have some tips, right? I have some tips on some setup and yeah, some tips basically. And they tell you the sizing for the diapers based on the pound. It's a good guide. It's nice. Anything free though? I look so. So I'm going to read this afterwards. I'm going to read this. Oh, and they have like the black and white for the newborn. Black and white. So yeah. Yeah. I like this. So it's a nice little guide because trust me, there's no instruction manual on being a parent. Baby just come. What's this now? Oh, I got a nice little what's this? A little onesie. I got a nice little onesie. We can pull it out. Can them for wash anyways. And I got something else. It's like a coupon code. So them say, oh, use the coupon code to get 10% off your next Amazon essential purchases of baby products. But it expire already. I got tell it to expire already. To expire December 2024. I'll just pull out now. I think that's it, you know. There's some paper in it. So. But yeah, I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Oh, so cute. His first clothes. His first clothes is from Amazon. Oh my god, Amazon. It's what is? What? Yeah, 3 to 6 this? This are 3 to 6? So wait there. So wait there. So with me by the 0 to 3. No, hold on. Calm down. Hold on. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Why it looks a little bit, so imagine 0 to 3. Merciful Savior. 3 to 6 months, this, you know? And it looked tiny, so imagine 0 to 3. I saw them a little bit when I was school. Minute. I just don't forget back. You know what? It's okay. It's fine. So, this is just, let's say anything here. We get 50% off Shutterfly stuff. And this is offer ends end of March. So we can probably look into what they have. Aveeno. I already have some Aveeno stuff. So there's no coupon code here. Alright. Palmer's. I've been using Palmer's from before, even before I was pregnant. I was using the same stretch mark things on my belly. I wish this though would have a coupon code because I wanted baby bruiser. That's not my coupon code, unfortunately. And what is this? Hello Fresh. 12 free meals. 12 free meals and 3 surprise gifts. And when this expire, I'll probably give my cousin. I'm not going to overseas for long. I might give my cousin. Let's see when it expires. I'm going to give him like expire stuff. Anyways, I got pocket. And see. And then Pampers wipes. Earn free diapers with Pampers Club. Yeah, when you buy it up, you can earn them something there. So yeah. Thank you, Amazon. Thank you so much. I'm definitely going to compare it with the Target. Walmart never have none. I'll probably check before I leave where I'm at and do the registry real quick and get the little things then. But yeah, it was quite simple to get it. I remember the steps, but it was very simple to get it, right? And I'm very grateful for these bottles. Grateful bad. So yeah, that's it. So you will see me in different clothes and different hair when I come back to compare the others because I don't have them here, but they're already delivered. So when I get them, we just couldn't wait to see what's in this. When I get them, I'll do the video and then I'll do the video and then combine everything. Alright, so this box is from, it's very heavy, Your Baby Club. Why? That one I remember home give it to you. I just remember home I get it, but I will put a picture somewhere. Home I get it. So let us see what was sent to me. Whoa, we get Tina feeding. Alright, so these are nice little. Oh, this is cute. Oh, look at me, they want this. This is a nice little checklist. I go for buy the newborn, right? We can go to dance and tick it off afterwards. Come, we done the shopping. We done shop, basically. I can't see to God. Right? So we done shop so we can see if anything missing before the baby come. This is Mom Cozy. This is what it is. Yeah, Mom Cozy again. It was promoting Mom Cozy. Medicine dog. Formula. Carefree. Ooh. Ew, I like this box. Anyways, that's that. Alright, let us get into the box. So first of all, sit here. This is a Disney. Don't know what is that saying, but it's a collectible plush. So one of these. Should I open it now? Should I? No, I leave in a comment. Alright. What is this? This is a e-cloth. E-cloth. So these are samples to clean the window. There it is. This is some regular carefree sanitary napkin or panty liner. Like this is a regular panty liner. Yeah. Ooh, food. This is the crunchy one. It's like a chocolate bar. This idiot. May the 15th before it expire. This is a plant oil. It's a yes, OB. Plant oil based personal lubricant. Lord of mercy. What is that? They must send come give me now. What is a come send come give me now? Lord of, when I encourage more children, huh? When I encouraging more kids. This is a wrist hand teether. But I'm glad for the man on Amazon. Yeah, I did buy a few of those. Get soda cream, I like a sample size. Not expire for now either. This is a pack of wipes. The first one upon now, I'm not talking about expiration date. That's on my first one. Expiration date. So this is wipes. I don't know the brand. It name close. You know the brand. Let's check on this. Alright, so get a full tin of feeding. This this feeding does not make no sense because it's a used by June the 4th. That's the baby. You know what? So sad. So sad. I can't give nobody this. I might have forgive this way. Oh, get one little onesie. What size is this? The cloth rough though. My God. So much cloth. Oh, Disney baby. 69 months. Oh, see a mini mouse up on it. But it, how much material make this? Feel rough. I don't even know made in India. Feel rough, man. There it is. Yeah, I can have the snap on underneath. This is for like small life, right? Facial mask, so the mother can unwind. See liquid there, run. So yeah, we get some mixture. I get some mixture. Guess it's a mixture. But if you even start say, then I get to use it. Then I get to use it feed me. The expire too quickly. 2025. So that's what is in Baby Club. What's that name? Your Baby Club, yeah. So I'm just put back these to make a pocket box. So yeah, so we have, I think we have one more box remaining to compare. That's the Walmart. Got that late. The Walmart one me requested it, so the last one to come, and then we can show it before this, and then we can show. Well, not on this video. We can just use everything basically. So yeah, yeah. Oh, you're a baby boy. I think it's a boy. No, you're a baby boy. Oh, I think you pay for this, you know. I think need pays. Either shipping, not shipping on pay for. Pay for shipping only. So yeah.
This box is from Hey Milestone. So I had to do a voiceover because the background is pretty noisy and I think there was some music playing as well. I think I kind of requested this a bit too early, but because I was overseas, I said I was just requesting it. So first off, I got another Dr. Brown's bottle. Going through different brochures. No. So yeah, I should have probably requested. This is a newborn box. As I said before, I'll link the details in the description box below. But basically, everyone can. It's pretty easy to get this box. You just pay for shipping. So they have the pregnancy box, you have the newborn box, and I think there's something else. All right, so that's some wipes, some pacifier wipes, and I basically had that snack right after I did the video. It was okay-ish, but it doesn't make sense. I just bring it to Jamaica, right? Yes, so those are like some body wash and lotion, right? That's also a vitamin that I had to discard due to the expiration date. So for the newborn box, I think you should actually just request it when the baby is here. It's up to 3 months basically. There's also some like stomach, some bios thing, probiotics. Yes, probiotics. I'm yet to use it, but it's there, and the date is good. I recently bought a box of these LMNT electrolytes. It tastes really good. So you need to be hydrated for breastfeeding or when you're pregnant, you're going to need it. So it's quite tasty, no sugar added. I also got a Suda Cream sample size, and that's a full kind of formula. I had to give away because of the date. So that's 2 A2 formula I had to give away. Also got that Parasil diaper. I'm yet to use that pacifier. My child doesn't like pacifier, but I didn't use that one. So yeah.
So thanks for watching. Check out the other videos on my channel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in another video. Have some stuff to show, but I'm definitely going to work on editing and uploading the previous ones that you guys haven't seen. So I hope you guys see this video real soon based on our uploader and so forth. But I'll see you guys in another video. All links will be in the description box below. My registry will be in the description box below. So if you want to buy something from the registry, you can check out the link in the description box. Alright? So if anything else, I'll update you. Alright? So bye.